The chapter is triangles for standard 7 and this is the part 8. In this given figure, some measurements are already given. You have to find AC. This length you have to find. So here it is given AD is, this shows that AD is perpendicular to BC. So now we have to find this side. We have these two segments given and this is a right triangle. So to find this is right triangle means this is also a right triangle. 90 plus 90, this will become 180. But to find this, we need these two segments, these two sides, but this side is not available. But we can find this side from this triangle. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ADB, hypotenuse is AB, 10 squared is equal to 6 squared plus AD squared. So AD squared is equal to 10 squared is 100 minus 6 squared is 36 is equal to, you get 64. So that is equal to 8 squared. So we can write AD squared is equal to 8 squared. That means AD is equal to 8. Now we got this. So in this triangle, now we can use these two to find AC. So in triangle ADC, AD squared plus CD squared is equal to AC squared. Pythagoras theorem, you have to write the reason. Pythagoras theorem. So AD we got it as 8. So 8 squared plus CD squared is 15 squared is equal to AC squared. So that is equal to 64 plus 225. So that is equal to 289. It is equal to 17 squared is equal to AC squared. Therefore AC is equal to 17. Your garden is in the shape of a rectangle that measures 24 meters and 32 meters. You want to plant trees on one diagonal. What will be the length? So we have to find the length of AC. So it is given, these two sides are given. So in a rectangle, you know, this angle, all the four angles are 90 degrees. So this is angle D is equal to 90. The reason is ABCD is a rectangle. This is a property of a rectangle. All the vertices are 90 degrees. So we can now use the Pythagoras theorem. CD, so this is the AC is the hypotenuse. So we can write as CD squared plus AD squared is equal to AC squared. So 24 squared plus 32 squared is equal to AC squared. See, 24 squared will be 576 plus 32 squared is equal to 1024 is equal to AC squared. So you get, adding, you get 1600 equal to AC squared. So it is 40 squared is equal to AC squared, and you get AC is equal to 40 meters. Now you have to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose one side measures 20 meters and the diagonal is 29 meters. So this is the diagonal BD 29 and this is 20. So we can take in a rectangle, the angle is, although angles are 90 degrees. So angle A is equal to 90. The reason is ABCD is a rectangle. So we can now use the Pythagoras theorem. So 20 squared, AD squared is equal to AD squared plus AB squared is equal to BD squared. So AD squared is equal to 20 squared plus AB squared is equal to BD squared is 29 squared. So AB squared is equal to 29 squared is 841 minus 20 squared is 400. So this is equal to 441. So AB, this you can write this as 21 squared. So AB is equal to 21 meters. Now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter is equal to twice length into breadth, 2 into L plus B. So L is AB, AB is 21 plus breadth is 20. So equal to 2 into 41. So that is equal to 82 meters. A 26-meter ladder is placed against the wall in such a way that the foot of the ladder is 10 centimeter away from the wall. So this is the wall. So this is the ground. And this is the ladder. So A, B, C. So the wall will be perpendicular to the ground. So this you can mark it as 90 degrees. So this will be the ladder will be the hypotenuse. So it is given 26 meter ladder. So this is 26 meters. Foot of the ladder is 10 centimeter away from the wall. So 10 centimeter. It is 26 meters and this is 10 centimeters. So not 20, so it is 10 meters. It is 10 meters away from the wall. How up on the wall is the upper end of the ladder. So now we have to, how up on the wall is the upper end of the ladder. So we have to find the distance AB. So we can say angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now AB squared, this is the hypotenuse. So AB squared is equal to BC squared plus AB squared. So AB squared is 26 squared is equal to 10 squared plus AB squared. So 26 squared is 676. So AB squared is equal to 26 squared is 676 minus 100. It will be 576. You can write 576 as 24 squared. Therefore, AB is equal to 24 meters.